Rock and roll McDonald.
Just watch it, because half the people are sitting in the trail.
Well, they're the half we're gonna have to run over.
Yeah, boy!
You can do wall rides.
Yeah.
Hey, you're wondering how much is actually placebo, but can you think better?
I don't know. I haven't really thought about it. I'm just riding. But I think the next one down here is the one that goes down to that furnace.
Yeah, yeah.
There's some mud, but it's really neat down in there.
Yeah, no, I have it. Since we did it last year, it will be on here. So
that was funny. Them guys, I heard them screaming. I look over. I'm like, oh, we knew them.
Yeah, yeah. He's like, hey, Smike's dad, get over here.
Yeah. It was funny.
All right, we're going right. This is sand.
Andrew swung wide, so I overtook him.
Hi. It is crazy. Like the terrain difference when you just got all of these people beating up the dirt into powder.
Yeah. I'm using my full suspension on some of them freaking jumps, man.
Oh yeah?
I didn't bottom out, but I could feel it was going way down. I'm like, okay, well that's good. May have to stiffen it a little bit at some point in time, but for now I'm gonna leave it alone.
I guess they got some dust behind my thingy. Oh, yep, it keeps telling me that my fuel gauge does not work unless I have it in motorcycle mode. I should have reapplied the electric grease.
But the GPS works, right?
Oh, it works, but it's just losing power, like every once in a while with the vibrations.
This is a fun section.
Ooh, that's a big whoopty. I can tell when I go. Good thing. Okay, I was like, I thought you said, I wish you told me. I'm like,
Good thing you told me, because I really had to lean back because I didn't have enough momentum to jump at all.
I overwhelmed the suspension. Like one time, I landed on the top of a bump and started hopping off the rest of them after that. It's like, rrr, rrr, rrr. Yeah, we did that alternative and now there's no one here.
I know, it's nice. That's what I wanted.
Until we get to this other alternative. That's some sloppy mud. I'm not hitting that. Okay, so it's right up here. That's what I was...
We'll pull over and wait for these guys so they know it's just going to go down in a loop and come back. But it's really neat down in there. Dylan went right through the mud, got stuck.
Holy crap, that guy went through the mud and just ate it.
Uh-oh, did you get it?
Yeah, yeah, slightly.
Oh, shoot. I thought this was two-way, but I don't see nobody coming back.
Not yet. So that's the problem, is like, that's why I'm not. Because it only takes, once those guys get up there, they're gonna start ripping backwards. Ow.
And you got a guy trying to pass another guy on. Yeah, like you said, if you're coming up. Whew. So we got to cross the creek. I didn't remember that.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't remember crossing the creek.
I do.
Oh yeah, I do now. Which way are you going down through?
I don't know yet. Let's hope.
That's what I don't want to do.
It looks like it's easier down there.
Especially since that guy's caught right there. Maybe this don't loop back around.
It used to.
I said, that's what, oh, that dude just went down. Nope, I don't go down. I'm through.
Well, there's quite a few rocks in there. Let's see, I think right up through there. Oh, they're slippery as heck.
Just if you're going up that steep part. Oh yeah, just come right here. Drop in. There you go, 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 go. Am I filming?
Yeah. That's not exactly the line I would have picked, but like I would have liked preferred to go up like sort of closer to where they're standing. Over is over.
Yeah.
I like your little rock.
Oh, Johnny just went down right in the water.
Oh no, cut your bear hull.
Oh, he's up.
It's on the side that the air filter's not on, so he's good. There we go. Don't do it again.
I walked right up through there.
Yeah. I thought this was two-way. Maybe they changed it. Dude. People are, oh yeah.
People are just falling all over the place. I'm filming. He fell, then he fell.
Yeah.
Where's Andrew at? Oh, he's right there.
Yeah, he's right up there. Whoa, you're almost gonna get over. Rock and roll McDonald.
Yep, my bike's up there.